Hey there, rice enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for you as we dive into the world of kitchen essentials. In this video, we'll be exploring the best rice cookers of 2023. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a busy college student, we've got the perfect rice cooker recommendations to make your life easier and your rice fluffier than ever before. Before we get into our top picks, let's quickly discuss why having a quality rice cooker is essential. A good rice cooker not only saves you time and effort but also ensures perfectly cooked rice with consistent results every single time. No more undercooked or overcooked rice. Plus, some of these versatile cookers can even handle different types of grains, making them a true kitchen workhorse. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. The Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker and Food Steamer, 37518, is a versatile appliance that can cook rice, whole grains, hot cereal, steamed vegetables, and more. It has an 8-cup capacity, cooked, a steam and rinse basket, and a countdown timer with automatic keep warm after cooking. The non-stick pot is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Here are some of the features of the Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker and Food Steamer, 37518. 1. 8-cup capacity, cooked. 2. Steam and rinse basket. 3. Countdown timer with automatic keep warm after cooking. 4. Non-stick pot that is dishwasher safe. 5. Easy to read digital display. 6. Keep warm function. 7. 3-cup rice rinser. 8. Removable inner pot. 9. Stainless steel exterior. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker and Food Steamer, 37518. Pros. 1. Versatile, can cook rice, whole grains, hot cereal, steamed vegetables, and more. 2. Easy to use digital display and easy to follow instructions. 3. Dishwasher safe, nonstick pot is easy to clean. 4. Affordable. Cons. 1. The steam basket is a bit small. 2. The keep warm function can be a bit too warm for some people. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker and Food Steamer, 37518, is a great option for people who want a versatile and easy-to-use rice cooker. It is affordable and has a number of features that make it a good value for the price. Here are some additional details about the Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker and Food Steamer, 37518. 1. Dimensions, 11.25 by 7.5 by 8 inches. 2. Weight, 4.5 pounds. 3. Power, 1000 watts. 4. Voltage, 120 volts. 5. Warranty, 1-year limited warranty. Number 4. The Cuckoo Crossing 0655F is a 6-cup, uncooked, Mycom rice cooker that features 12 menu options, a non-stick inner pot, and a digital display. It is designed in Korea and comes in a red-white color scheme. Here are some of the key features of the Cuckoo Crossing 0655F. 1. 12 menu options. This rice cooker has 12 preset functions for cooking different types of rice, including white rice, brown rice, sushi rice, porridge, and mixed rice. 2. Non-stick inner pot. The inner pot is made of non-stick material, making it easy to clean. 3. Digital display. The digital display shows the cooking time, temperature, and menu option. 4. Preset timer. The preset timer allows you to set the rice cooker to start cooking at a later time. 5. Keep warm function. The keep warm function keeps the rice warm after it has finished cooking. 6. Reheat function. The reheat function heats up the rice without overcooking it. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Cuckoo Crossing 0655F. Pros. 1. Cooks rice perfectly every time. 2. Easy to use. 3. Non-stick inner pot makes cleanup easy. 4. 12 preset functions for different types of rice. 5. Preset timer and keep warm function. Cons. 1. Can be expensive. 2. Not as versatile as some other rice cookers, e.g., can't cook quinoa or other grains. 3. The non-stick coating can scratch easily. Overall, the Cuckoo Crossing 0655F is a great rice cooker for people who want to cook perfect rice every time. It is easy to use and has a variety of features that make it a versatile kitchen appliance. However, it can be expensive and not as versatile as some other rice cookers. Here are some additional details about the Cuckoo Crossing 0655F. 1. Capacity, 6 cups, uncooked. 2. Dimensions, 12.2 by 10.6 by 7.9 inches. 3. Weight, 4.4 pounds. 4. Power, 700 watts. 5. Warranty, 1 year. Number 3. The Tiger JBVA10U 5.5 cup, uncooked, Mycom rice cooker with food steamer basket. White is a versatile and easy-to-use rice cooker that can also be used to steam vegetables, fish, and other foods. It has a capacity of 5.5 cups, uncooked, so it's perfect for small households or couples. The rice cooker features a microcomputer that automatically adjusts the cooking time and temperature based on the type and amount of rice used. It also has a keep warm function that keeps the rice warm for up to 12 hours. Here are some of the features of the Tiger JBVA10U rice cooker. 1. Microcomputer-controlled cooking for perfect rice every time. 2. Keep warm function for up to 12 hours. 3. Food steamer basket for steaming vegetables, fish, and other foods. 4. Non-stick inner pot for easy cleaning. 5. Removable lid for easy access. 6. 1-year warranty. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Tiger JBVA10U rice cooker. Pros. 1. Makes perfect rice every time. 2. Easy to use. 3. Keep warm function. 4. Food steamer basket. 5. Non-stick inner pot. 6. Removable lid. 7. 1-year warranty. Cons. 1. Some users have reported that the rice cooker can be a bit noisy when cooking. 2. The food steamer basket is a bit small. Overall, the Tiger JBVA10U rice cooker is a great option for small households or couples who are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use rice cooker. It makes perfect rice every time and has a keep warm function for up to 12 hours. The food steamer basket is also a great addition for steaming vegetables, fish, and other foods. Here are some tips for using the Tiger JBVA10U rice cooker. 1. Rinse the rice before cooking to remove any excess starch. 2. Use the correct amount of water for the type of rice you are cooking. 3. Do not stir the rice while it is cooking. 4. Let the rice rest for a few minutes after cooking before fluffing it with a fork. Number 2. The Toshiba Rice Cooker 6-cup uncooked is a great option for anyone looking for a versatile and easy-to-use rice cooker. It has a capacity of 6 cups uncooked, 12 cups cooked, making it perfect for small families or couples. The rice cooker features fuzzy logic technology, which automatically adjusts the cooking time and temperature based on the type of rice you are cooking. This ensures that your rice is always cooked perfectly, whether you are making white rice, brown rice, or a variety of other dishes. The rice cooker also has a digital display, which makes it easy to see what cooking function you have selected and how much time is remaining. It also has 2 delay timers, so you can set the rice cooker to start cooking at a later time. This is perfect for if you want to have freshly cooked rice ready for breakfast or dinner. The rice cooker also has a non-stick inner pot, which makes it easy to clean. Simply rinse the pot out after use and it will be good as new. The rice cooker also has an auto keep warm function, so your rice will stay warm for up to 24 hours after it is cooked. Overall, the Toshiba Rice Cooker 6-cup uncooked is a great option for anyone looking for a versatile and easy-to-use rice cooker. It is perfect for small families or couples, and it can cook a variety of different rice dishes. The rice cooker is also easy to clean and has an auto keep warm function. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Toshiba Rice Cooker 6-Cup Uncooked. Pros. 1. Fuzzy logic technology ensures that your rice is always cooked perfectly. 2. Digital display makes it easy to see what cooking function you have selected and how much time is remaining. 3. 2 delay timers so you can set the rice cooker to start cooking at a later time. 4. Non-stick inner pot makes it easy to clean. 5. Auto keep warm function keeps your rice warm for up to 24 hours. Cons. 1. Some users have reported that the rice cooker can be difficult to clean. 2. The rice cooker is not very compact, so it may not be ideal for small kitchens. Overall, the Toshiba Rice Cooker 6-Cup Uncooked is a great option for anyone looking for a versatile and easy-to-use rice cooker. It is perfect for small families or couples, and it can cook a variety of different rice dishes. The rice cooker is also easy to clean and has an auto keep warm function. Number 1. The Zojirushi NSTSC 18 Micom Rice Cooker and Warmer is a high-end rice cooker that uses microcomputer technology to cook perfect rice every time. It has a variety of features that make it a great choice for both home cooks and professional chefs, including 1. Microcomputer technology that automatically adjusts cooking temperature and time for perfect results. 2. 10-cup capacity, perfect for small or large gatherings. 3. 11 different cooking settings, including white rice, brown rice, sushi rice, porridge, and cakes. 4. Automatic keep warm function that keeps rice warm for up to 12 hours. 5. Retractable power cord for easy storage. 6. Easy to clean stainless steel exterior. The NSTSC 18 is also a great value for the price. It is well made and durable, and it comes with a variety of accessories, including a steaming basket, rice measuring cup, and non-stick rice spatula. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Zojirushi NSTSC 18 Micom Rice Cooker and Warmer. Pros. 1. Excellent rice quality. 2. Wide variety of cooking settings. 3. Automatic keep warm function. 4. Easy to use. 5. Easy to clean. 6. Durable. Cons. 1. Expensive. 2. Not as versatile as some other rice cookers. 3. Can be difficult to find in some stores. Overall, the Zojirushi NSTSC 18 Micom Rice Cooker and Warmer is a great choice for anyone who wants to cook perfect rice every time. It is a bit expensive, but it is well made and durable, and it comes with a variety of features that make it a great value. Here are some additional details about the NSTSC 18. 1. It uses a black thick inner cooking pan and heating system to provide even heating for perfectly cooked rice. 2. It has a cake menu setting to bake cakes in the rice cooker. 3. It comes with a steaming basket, rice measuring cup, non-stick rice spatula and spatula holder. 4. It has a built-in retractable power cord for easy storage. 5. It has an easy-to-read LCD control panel with clock and timer functions. 6. The inner lid is detachable for easy cleaning. If you are looking for a high-quality rice cooker that will cook perfect rice every time, the Zojirushi NSTSC 18 Micom Rice Cooker and Warmer is a great option. It is well made, durable, and easy to use. It also comes with a variety of features that make it a great value for the price. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more kitchen tips, reviews, and delicious recipes. Also, let us know in the comments which rice cooker caught your eye or if you have any other recommendations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!